Create a professional portfolio website with Wix. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio website with Wix. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Go to wix.com, sign up for a free account. Once you're signed in, click on Create New Site. A new window will pop up. Here select Start Chat to chat with AI and prompt it to create a professional portfolio website. I'm typing, I want to create a professional portfolio website. I am a photographer. The website should include a clean and modern design, a homepage introducing who I am, a portfolio gallery page to showcase my work or projects, an About Me section, and a contact form. I want it to be easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and optimized for search engines. Please suggest a layout and design that reflects professionalism and creativity. Hit Send. After some time, the Wix AI will ask you a few questions related to your work. To comprehend the website, it's good to clearly answer it like I am doing on right side, and boom, you can see that my website is bolding up on the left side of the screen. Once you're done, click Publish and your site goes live. Share the link on LinkedIn, your resume, or anywhere else you want to show your work. That's all for the video. Build your brand online with Wix and stand out professionally.